So when you're setting up the Monarch bike, what you'll want to ensure before you get going is, first and foremost, make sure the seat height is and the position is correct for your subject. An easy way to kind of eyeball that before they even get on the bike is to landmark the top of the pelvis or the greater trochanter. Okay, so the iliac crest or the greater trochanter, see where that is, and it should be a little bit closer to the iliac crest. Luckily, I've already set this up. If it wasn't, essentially unscrew one of these, lift up to the next insert, and put it into the right position. Similarly with the seat, if it's a little far back or forward, you can just unscrew these and then slide the seat this way depending on what you prefer or your subject prefers. Then when you get in onto the bike, a good way to check to make sure the height's the right position is putting the foot at the bottom of the pedal stroke. And if you're fully stopped, the leg should be able to go fairly straight, just on that verge of being able to bend versus fully extend. You know you're pretty close. A lot of people like the seat a little lower so that you have that extra knee bend, but you're actually going to use much more quad than your full leg if you do that. And then the last part is if you come up here and check out the weights at the front. Once you've calculated 7.5 or, for some athletic populations, 10% of the person's body weight, you're going to load the weight here. And so if you look at both sides, you'll notice that on the one side, you have your, for this person, for myself, it's 5.3 kilo. So we got, these are 1 kilo increments. The smaller ones are half, and then these are 0.1 kilos. You want to try to make it as even as you can, because when the basket drops, it can lopsidedly put some tension on the machine, and that's unideal. So yeah, once you've done that, you can load the weight up into the locked position. There's just a magnet component under here that'll hold the weight up and keep the weight from being on the wheel until you hit the button and are ready to start the test.